The year is 117 AD. Rome rules the known world. But what if the world was bigger than they ever imagined? What if Roman explorers sailed west? Beyond the edge of their maps, and discovered a new continent? Before Columbus, before Europe knew it existed. What if Rome discovered America? History would never be the same. The sand is warm beneath Roman boots. The air is thick, unfamiliar. Bird calls echo through towering trees. For the first time in history, Rome stands on American soil. But they are not alone. From the shadows, eyes watch them, warriors of a powerful civilization. Study these armored strangers who arrived from the endless sea. Two worlds meeting for the first time. Steel does not strike first. Instead, a gesture, the Roman general lowers his blade. The tribal leader steps forward. No shared language, only cautious understanding. History balances on a single breath. Gold for maize, iron for knowledge of the land. Rome realizes something quickly. This continent is rich. Richer than Gaul, richer than Egypt, and it is vast beyond imagination. A ship is sent back east, across the brutal Atlantic, carrying news that will shake the empire. There is another world. In Rome, the emperor reads the message. A new continent, untouched by rival empires, overflowing with resources. This is not exploration. This is destiny. He does not send one ship. He sends hundreds. Soldiers, engineers, architects. Rome is not visiting. Rome is coming to stay. Forests fall. Stone replaces soil. A Roman fort rises beside the sea, and with it, the first colony of Nova Roma. Rome does what Rome always does. It builds. Stone roads carve through forests. Aqueducts stretch across rivers. Roman law replaces tribal borders. The wilderness begins to change, but conquest is never simple. Cultures collide. Some tribes resist, others adapt. Some join Rome and gain power within the empire. A new identity begins to form. Not fully Roman, not fully native, something entirely new. With two continents under its control, Rome becomes unstoppable. Gold flows east, food flows west. Ships dominate the Atlantic. There is no dark ages, because Rome never weakens. In this world, Christopher Columbus is never needed. The age of exploration never belongs to Spain. It belongs to Rome. History shifts. Europe never rises the same way. With unlimited resources, innovation accelerates. Roman engineering evolves faster. Navigation improves. Industry begins centuries earlier. The empire modernizes without ever collapsing. Fast forward to today. The world speaks Latin. Governments follow Roman law. The eagle flies over a united Atlantic empire. There is no United States, no British Empire, No divided continents, only Rome. In our real world, Rome fell. Its cities crumbled, its empire shattered. But with AI, we can rebuild what history lost. We can ask, what if one storm changed everything? What if Rome discovered America? Would the modern world be stronger or more controlled? Would democracy exist, or would the empire still rule us? History happened one way, but through AI, we can explore the roads not taken. So tell me, what civilization should we rebuild next?